This is a religious video. I want to explain how everything in my life right now that I enjoy, I can tie back to an event that happened 200 years ago. And just FYI, life is still far from perfect. But I have happiness, I have peace, assurance of things hoped for, guidance, not just in my career, but in everything. I have a family, I have a son. And he would not be here if it weren't for our prayers, and there wouldn't be an us if I didn't have a wife. Would not have married her had I not been led to ask, and would not have met her had I not gone to Latvia. And I have so many friends all around the world, none of which I would have had I not served a mission. And I would not have served if it weren't for a young men's teacher that encouraged me to not miss out like he did. And had I not gained a testimony, or felt what it was like to have an absence of the Holy Spirit, or learned to listen to its promptings, none of that would have been in my life had I not gone to this church. And I wouldn't have joined had my parents not opened the door, had the doorbell not rung, had two young men not been sent, and if they didn't have a message to share. And there would be nothing to share if a boy had not seen a vision of two personages. If he had not asked the question, which church should I join? And if he didn't ask in faith and believe that God would answer him, what would my life be like without that event? I wouldn't be here. And you wouldn't have me. And I wouldn't know who I am. Or who you are. My name is Zach Ciotti, and in less than 2 minutes, I've given you a glimpse of what I know